guys, it's Mark here from Dragon Image, and we're here at IBC 2014 in Amsterdam, and I'm here with Brent from Fiilex. And yeah, Brent, hoping to hear a little bit about these lights. We've heard all the hype about them, but hopefully you can shed some light and let us know what's new and explain some features.
Yeah, I'll just run you through the kind of the product line we have here, kind of from the smallest to the biggest. This is our smallest light. It has an integrated battery. Lasts about 2.5 hours. It's called the P100. Also, we call it the brick. So we call it the brick because you can set it anywhere, giving you a quick, easy way to light something extremely fast, as well as having that color tunability that we're famous for. So every single light has our own dense matrix LED inside, which allows us to change the color temperature while continuing having the highest color quality out there on the market.
Right. Now what kind of output are we looking at on this little guy?
This guy we say is around the equivalent of 100 watt tungsten equivalent output. The nice part about that design is we're able to put the dome diffuser accessory on this light that we are also known for. With a small P100 adapter, we can add that dome diffuser, create a nice eye light for you or myself, or an uplight is another great feature for this small compact source. Fast and easy to use is what we love about it.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Now this little battery here, that's a rechargeable battery?
It's a rechargeable lithium battery, so it's lightweight and rechargeable.
And how much life do we get out of this battery roughly?
You get 2.5 hours of at full power.
Okay. And can you run it off mains power as well?
You can. So there's an adapter here. The charger will power it without a battery in it and use it that way. We also have a D-tap cable, so you can directly tap into a broadcast battery. So really any way you want, it's powerful.
Right.
Yeah.
All right, take us further down the line. What else do we have?
So the next one in line is the P180E. So this is what we consider our famous E&G on-camera light. So it mounts on camera as well as onto a light stand with the accessories. It fits the same dome diffuser, and then a Fresnel, little mini Fresnel will clip on there as well. It is also tunable, so you can go from daylight to tungsten. It is the reason why we call it our E&G camera light is because it's fully water resistant.
Like completely water resistant?
Not waterproof, but in terms of, if you look at our website, I'm sure you have it on the Dragon Image site, is it's getting showered with water from every different direction, and then they pull out a hose and they hose it down too. So we really tested it for all types of weather protection.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And again,
equivalent output is like a 200 to 250 watt equivalent output. So what you consider like a pepper light or something like that, very similar to that. Only no heat, only 40 watt draw, extremely portable. In fact, in our lighting kits, our standard lighting size kit, you can fit 6 of those in one case, which is pretty incredible.
All right, let's see this Q5 that you're talking about.
The Q5 is the first in the Q series, meaning we are planning on building more lights in the Q series and expanding that line. But this is the first in the Q series, the Q500. It's actually closer to the equivalent of a 650 watt tungsten light, only drawing 180 watts, okay? The other thing that we did is we expanded that color temperature range. All of our other lights are 3,000 to 5,600 Kelvin. This one goes 2,800 Kelvin to 6,500 Kelvin. Plus, we added hue control. So we can go a quarter magenta, quarter green in that.
Internally?
Internally. So instead of adding some of those gels onto that, you can do a quick adjustment and change that.
Wow.
Yeah.
And power options, what do we have?
Power options, this is an AC unit only.
Okay.
But you have DMX for DMX control, both in XLR and RJ45.
Okay.
So you have full DMX, 512 channels, and you would use 3 of the channels. You can control color, hue, and power on that DMX control.
So if anybody wants to see this cool gear, where can they see it?
www.fiilex.com. So Fiilex.com.